Vanakkam. I once again welcome you all to Anula's Bharatanatyam Arangetram. At the outset, I pay my deepest respects to my gurus, Guru Srimati Visha Srinivasan, Guru K. Dandada Panipillai, and Guru Madhurayar Muralidharan for giving us this art and helping us continue with it every passing day. Anula will commence her Bharatanatyam Arangetram with Amma Kavitvam, going with the theme of Mata, Pita, Guru, Devam. Amma Kavitvam. O Mother, I bring my hands together to pay my first respects to you. You disregarded your body and its needs to ensure that my wants are met. You selflessly gave it all you have to make me achieve success and standing in life. If there is a God living amongst us today, it is you. Mortals who overlook this axiom of truth should be shunned. We dedicate this first dance to Anula's amazing mother, Bharati Rama Rao, and invite her amidst us in spirit to celebrate this important day with us. Amma Kavitvam, Ragam Karna Ranjani, Talamadi, composition of my Guru, Madhurayar Muralidharan. sana sakari sa jum sana jonu sagini sa jum jonu ini sa jonu sa jum kari sana sakari sa sana jonu sa jonu sa jonu ini sa ini sa kari ta tatari sana ta tatana jonu ta sagini sa gini na tum ta sa gini na tum ta sa gini na tum Tajum ta di tajum ta di tum tajum ta tajum ta tajum ta la tajum ta di tajum ta di tum tajum ta tajum ta tajum ta tadari ra tajum ta tadari ra tajum ta tajum ta tajum ta tadari ra tajum ta tading dina tum tam tading dina tum tading dina tum tam tading dina tum tading dina tum tading dina tum கண்ணால் காணும் தெய்வம் உலகில் உண்டென்றால் அது அன்னைதான் சஜ்ஜம் தகஜம் 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 மண்ணாய் போகும் மனிதன் இதனை மறந்தால் அவனோ மிருகம்தான் சஜ்ஜம் தகஜம் 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 மண்ணாய் போகும் மனிதன் இதனை மறந்தால் அவனோ மிருகம்தான் இரு கரம்